Hey guys, welcome to Binize channel. Today I'm gonna introduce you a new released CarPlay AI BOX, which is 2GB plus 16GB. Comparing to the most CarPlay AI BOX, the system will be a little bit simple for all of our customers, and it supports to stream video on your car unit. It also supports wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto. And no need for plug in a SIM card, just connect it to your phone hotspot or house Wi-Fi. And when you are using CarPlay, please note needed to approve all the permission from CarPlay. After a few seconds, it will bring you to the classic wireless CarPlay page, and you will be easy to realize the hands-free phone calling or driving. You can also clear all the background apps and also support one click to clear the cake. That is really awesome.